It looks like the makings of pork lumpia.
Not lumpia. Lumpia.
See, when you say it, it sounds like it has a T on the end. See, I say lumpia, but it sounds like you're saying lumpia.
Lumpia.
See? But folks, that is exactly what it is.
Onions right there.
And I must say, little Nora does it better than anybody.
Garlic, onions, and cilantro is already there. Now we're my black pepper. I need some shredded cheese.
We have cheese, but it's not shredded.
Well, I can shred it.
It's a block.
Shredder. Yeah, I'll do it. I just shred it
So
here.
you see little Nora's arms? She's been working out. See that? Flex them muscles, Nora. Show them fucking the muscles. Sorry for the cussing.
Adding some cheese. I don't need a lot. Just need a little. I always put cheese on my, lumpia.
I don't think it needs it, really.
Cheese makes it taste better.
But I'd rather have it with cheese in it than pineapples.
Not a lot, but this is good. Alright, that's good enough. Okay, so I'll add 1 egg. Okay, so I should save this.
Oh, I didn't know you put an egg in the pork. I thought you just use that to seal the wrapper once you roll it up.
So it won't be so dry.
Oh, okay.
So.
Now, is there anything special you'd like to say about that ground pork? Would you like to describe
You
it?
got it from Whole Foods. It's all natural.
All natural. There you go. No hormones, no steroids, no pesticide, no antibiotic.
Right. So,
Some people would say, well, I want pesticides in my pork so that it'll kill the parasites. No, there's no parasites in this pork.
not on pork. On fish, yeah.
Well, there was once upon a time there was pork, like if you didn't use certain substances on it, it could get trichinitis. But
Chicken.
yeah,
No, it makes me sneeze. So yeah, that's all I need, and then it's ready to wrap. Then ready to cook. It's got cilantro, garlic, onion, black pepper, eggs, and then this mamacitas, of course.
of course.
Yeah.
I got my lime because today is Saturday. And you know what we do on Saturday?
So there you go. That's it.
Awesome. Can't
I'm
wait.
just gonna wrap it.
There's little Nora's, that shadow. Spring roll pastry lumpiat wrapper. And unfortunately, this time only, we are using canola oil because peanut oil is so expensive. And all these other oils that we use, the really healthy ones like that, they're not good for frying. Coconut oil, in my humble opinion, just ain't worth a shit for frying. Just something about it ain't right. So it's Saturday. I'm doing my usual ritual for Saturday. Drinking beer, eating spicy peanuts, and watching Philly in the Philippines on my 70-inch Samsung UHD crystal capacitor television. And Nora is about to roll some lumpia. Here she comes.
I don't make my lumpia so big. I like to make it small, so it's gets cooked quick. The meat, that's pork.
Your arms are looking nice and trim and toned.
Of course.
Like you've been pumping iron.
I lift boxes at work, fluids.
Well, that's good. That's good to see.
$1,000 ml dextrose. One box contains 14 of those 1,000 ml dextrose.
If we could just get you to clean up this house, clean up some of them pocketbooks on that couch over there.
Got time to do stuff for myself. Work. I work 6 days a week. So
I get it.
don't complain. You drink every Saturday.
I'm not complaining.
Do I complain?
Huh?
Drink every Saturday?
You like it when I drink beer because I'm friendlier when I drink beer.
It's your, your whatever time, pastime to do something. So I don't bitch about that. Some women will.
That looks like a fine hand-rolled cigar right there. You ever roll a cigar, Nora?
I don't smoke.
Never rolled a cigar, never rolled a... Well, never mind.
Trying to think, the one straight down here. It's very busy, very busy. Got some cotton candy. Can't believe how busy it is through here. Usually it's not this busy.
There's 25 wrappers in here.
Oh, 25?
Yeah.
So, but each one of these you'll cut into 2, right?
Yeah.
So there's going to be 50 pieces? Holy crap. I only bought it like a pound and a half or a pound and a quarter of pork.
Actually, that's plenty enough.
Awesome.
Use the white egg so you can get it stick. Get sticky then.
Egg white. I see.
See, perfect.
Nice to meet you. All right.
Like that.
All right, let's go out this way. Let's stroll out this way.
What does the AF stand for on your... Oh, that's AE. Never mind.
AE.
American Eagle. Well, that is some fine, fine work you're doing there, Nora. That's how I roll my, well, never mind.
Like that.
That's an awesome job. You ought to be a cigar roller down in Havana.
Yeah, I'll go move to Havana.
Let's just see how much of your mixture you're putting there. I smell
Actually,
that.
you can
That
cook
smells good.
this on the air fryer too.
Yeah, of course.
You don't need oil. You can do that also, so up to you.
So folks, looks like she's got about 25 big cigars rolled up, ready to fry. We've got some Black Lodge singers going on the Samsung 70-inch UHD 4K crystal capacitor television, smart television.
So I can cut it in two. Just cut it in two.
Oh, just with scissors?
Yeah, like that. So there's your Lumpia Shanghai.
Lumpia Shanghai.
2468. 10.
Oh, that's going to be enough for
Yeah.
2 or 3 days. But they're best when they're
14.
super duper fresh.
16. 18. So there's your lumpia. Cooking it now.
Oh, is that my lumpia?
You don't make it too hot before you drop the lumpia.
Oh, no? I
No,
would have
just
figured
like
you get the
that.
oil real good and hot.
No, not like too hot. You don't want that. You have to put it down and it's like this so it will cook well. Because if you put it when it's too hot, it will burn the lumpia, the wrapper, easy. So the meat don't get cooked inside. So it's better this way, so it slowly cooks the meat. You didn't know that?
I don't know shit,
It will
Nora.
slowly cook the meat inside. So
I'm not an Asian chef.
put it while it's still, not very, very hot. So that's perfect right there.
I'm not
Perfect.
even an American chef.
Okay, so there you go. Now just wait till it's golden brown. It's turning golden brown. See? Looks good.
Here in the South, we say
Smells good.
they're frying up real nice. That's what we said.
Frying up.
Frying up real nice like.
See, that's why you don't wait till it's hot, so it will not burn the wrapper. It's slowly cooked. That makes a perfect lumpia, you know? You know? Shoot.
Ah, that shadow. See, it's got a little flecks of
Let
cilantro
me know
on it.
how it tastes like.
Oh, it sure smells good. I think she said ground pork, cheese, garlic, cilantro. And she fried that, unfortunately, in canola oil. But it does taste good. As long as you're not aware of the fact that you're eating very unhealthy. But it sure does taste good. Having that with some sweet chili sauce. Gotta be some fine, fine victuals right there, folks.
Alright everybody, we're in Sue's kitchen today, and we got chili, sangria with your chili, huh?
Where in the hell do you think you're going?
Butt.
Not all for Jay says no way you're drinking that with
Butt. Man, I need to go back and work out my legs and butt.
the review on the chili.
Here's little Nora, folks. And there's
Butt.
a little bit of her stuff and all of her shoes. And that ain't all. There's some more containers of her shoes right there. And a lot more upstairs in that walk-in closet. Nora, that's true. That stereotype about Filipino women and their shoes.
You get spoiled by that. Nothing's better than
I
home
guess,
cooked
yeah.
meal.
That ain't no old sailor's tale.
Got a little fizz to that?
Nah, I ain't no expert in women, folks. But that's a good looking one right there. I can tell you that, buddy. I can tell you that. All right, well, that's it, Nora. We're done. You gonna say like and subscribe?
Yeah, like and subscribe. Don't forget our channel or my channel, Chavacana. Okay, and I'll see you on my next video. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, at the beach. Ooh,
Yep,
coming
beach
soon.
coming soon.
Beach body.
All right.